Astro Excel look at the week ahead, Sunday, June 9th, 2024. Green line sitting in slightly negative territory just below the 0 and minus 10. Remember, the plus 10 to minus 10 is fairly neutral. We're breaking out of there Monday morning and we're pushing downward on the green line until we bottom out on Tuesday. That flat line's between 2 and 5 a.m. Tuesday morning where it starts to pick up and rise. It runs all the way up to about 2000 Tuesday, then flat lines in that minus 10 to minus 15 area into Wednesday at the day session close. Then gets a pretty good push up Wednesday all the way into Thursday where it flattens out in the afternoon around 1400, sideways, a little blip down in the overnight between midnight and 2 a.m. and then pushes up and hovers on and just above the 10 line through Friday. Important spike peaks Monday here, 1700 out of hours, 2000 in the quiet time. Tuesday, 1300 in the afternoon. Wednesday, 1500. Big bottom on the blue line, 1500 on Thursday, and then another push down to 1400 on Friday. Once again, look where these two lines are in sync. I'm going to give you the strongest potential trend moves. So look for that. And that's what we got going this week.